अकेले अकेले कहाँ जा रहे हो, इधर आके पट्टू प्रेजेंट्स दोस्तों के साथ देखो अकेले। वेलकम टू पट्टू प्रेजेंट्स। आज हम तीन चीज कवर करेंगे। एक, रिव्यू ऑफ आर्या, जो कि एक वेब सीरीज है विच हैज रिसेंटली कम ऑन हॉटस्टार। सेकंड, एज अ बोनस आई विल ऑल्सो डिस्कस वेयर टू इन्वेस्ट नेक्स्ट ऑल योर हार्ड अर्नड मनी। और थर्ड है 1983 वर्ल्ड कप की, आज ही वो डेट है जो 37 साल पहले इंडिया वर्ल्ड कप जीती थी। बट लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ आर्या। Arya from Hotstar, and this is strongly recommended, and there are 5 reasons to watch Arya. It is Arya, it is not Parya. पहली रीजन, आर्या में गाली गलौज कम है. The abusive content is very less, the gore content is very less. Normal, in a web series you see hands cutting, blood splattering and all that. This is lot lesser in this. So that way Arya is more easy to view. Second, Arya doesn't have any political agenda, okay? Like in Netflix, when you see Sacred Games or Layla or Ghaul, or in Amazon recently released Patal Lok, when you see these, they have an agenda. There is a political agenda. Either Hinduphobia दिखाया जाता है और Islamophobia दिखाया जाता है. But Hotstar series, Special Ops was the one which is a big one before. And now Arya, they don't have any political agenda. So 9 series episode, and it is quite well made. It's about a family who deal in this medicine manufacturing business, which is partly legal and partly official. And then they get into a big problem, and they have fights within brothers, within friends, with the police, within wives. So it's more of a family fluid thing in lines of The Godfather too, to a certain extent. The pace is good, and the performances are excellent. What stays with you after you have finished watching Arya are a few things. One is Chandrachud Singh's smile, that stays with you. The tribute to old songs. Shmita Sen is excellent. This is easily one of her best roles, and it's great to see her back. The scenes between Namit Das and Maya Sarao are super excellent. They are very intriguing, and the ones which really let you, hooked into it. Manish Chaudhary as the mafia lord is very good. His sidekick Vishwajit Pradhan has been super. He's super guy all through the series. He's comical, he's angry, he's menacing, but he's great. Then you have Vikas Kumar as the police guy, who's also great. Gurkhan. Overall, it's an enjoyable series, and it's a must watch. I would put it 4 out of 5. Next, we move to where to invest. Around a month ago, episode on the 24th of May, and on that day I had said that if you have a lump sum, please put one part in mid caps, one part in multi caps, and one part in blue chips. Your excess cash into these 3 components and invest. If you had done that on the next day, today you would have said now 15% returns. The market has grown up. So if you had invested 1 lakh on 25th of May on my advice, on Patti Presents advice, you would have made 1,15,000 as of today sitting at home. Now my advice is, if you still have cash with you, go back to that formula: mid caps, multi caps, blue chips. That is 3 buckets, and 2 more buckets. One is on gold mutual funds, and second is on agriculture based mutual funds. World agriculture based mutual funds also you'll find in India, and gold mutual funds, there are plenty of options. Just pick the best ones. So if you have lump sum still today, invest it in 5 buckets: mid cap 20%, multi cap 20%, blue chip 20%, gold mutual funds 20%, and agriculture funds 20%. You should do well in 3 years time. 3 to 5 years time is the range you should obviously give to a mutual fund to grow for you. पैसा ना पेड़ पे नहीं उगता है, हाँ, अचानक से नहीं मिलने का, हाँ, रुकना पड़ता है, वेट करना पड़ता है. ऑफिस में भी वेट करते कि नहीं, हाँ, फिर ओके. लास्ट 1983 World Cup, the proudest moment for India in a sporting arena around that time, because 70s, 80s, 90s we didn't really do much in the global sporting arena. 1983, 25th June, we lifted the World Cup, and that was the day I got hooked to cricket. From that day, I'm a mad cricket fan. I didn't watch the match live that day because I used to stay in Jamshedpur, and we didn't really have television transmission at that time. What happened a week later, a video recording. In those days, we had the VCR and a video cassette. So a video cassette recording of that entire match was played in my father's office. My father used to work in Tata Steel, and that time it was called Tisco. So in his office on a Sunday, they cleared one room, made it dark, played that match for around 9 hours. All the employees who worked in that office, it was called the modernization office, people had that the entire day and they watched the game. Some of the parents had got their kids, and I was one of the lucky ones, and I thank my dad for that, to bring me to see that game. I recall I was sitting on the floor with some other kids very close to the TV, so I had my head like this and I watched the match. I understood bit about cricket. I was 8 years old, but that day I understood a lot about cricket. I have three memories from that match. The first is when India were batting, somebody behind said that Shrikant ek chhakka marega, घुटने टेक के, putting the knees on the floor, he'll hit a six, and that's going to be a sexy shot. I saw that. It was indeed. My second memory was Mohinder Ramanath jogging towards the pavilion after the last wicket was taken, and there were crowds all over the pitch in England, and we were the champions. The underdogs had become the champion. I remember Krishnamachari Shrikant had smoked cigarette in that Lord's balcony that day. I'm sure the English remember that. That's another memory I remember that day. The lunch. It was a 9-hour event, so we got packed lunch. It was in packed boxes. My dad or some uncle would have given me that box. And I remember there was a sandwich there inside a plastic. There was a samosa there, and there was a aloo chop there, also called as aloo bonda, aloo vada in some parts of India. There was a one sweet which I don't remember. Either I think it would be a kala jamun or something was there. It was sweet. And that was sweet, and India's victory was sweet. And all you guys are sweet for watching Pattu Presents. Thank you so much. I will have videos coming in quite regularly because I have phones coming in quite repeatedly. People giving me suggestions. You should do this, you should do that, you should make on this. People are asking me, what I should do in this and that. Why should I not do video, man? I will also do video. You stay cool, you enjoy, don't be a fool. Pattu Presents loves you. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thank you.